welcome back to our gardening channel, where we help you grow your green thumb. Today, we're diving into the art of pruning. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, knowing when and how to trim your plants can make all the difference. Let's get started. So, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, then do so by hitting the button down below so you never get to miss out on anything. First things first, the importance of pruning your plants. Pruning is a vital gardening practice that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your plants but also boosts their overall health and productivity. Here's why you should make it a regular part of your gardening routine. 1. Promote healthy growth. By cutting away dead or diseased branches, you redirect the plant's energy towards new growth, resulting in a more vigorous and robust plant. 2. Shape your plants. Pruning allows you to maintain a desired shape and size, keeping your garden neat and visually appealing. 3. Encourage flowering and fruit production. Proper pruning techniques can stimulate more abundant blooms and fruit, ensuring your plants reach their full potential. 4. Improve airflow. Thinning out dense foliage enhances air circulation, which helps prevent fungal diseases and keeps your plants thriving. Embrace the art of pruning for a healthier, more beautiful garden. Timing is everything. Mastering the art of pruning. When it comes to pruning, knowing when to snip is just as crucial as knowing what to cut. Here's a quick guide to help you prune like a pro. Deciduous trees and shrubs. Late winter or early spring is prime time. Prune before new growth begins for optimal results. Flowering shrubs. For spring bloomers, prune right after they flower. For summer bloomers, late winter or early spring is your go-to. Perennials, give dead stems a clean cut in early spring, just before new growth bursts forth. Houseplants, feel free to prune anytime, but spring is best as they wake up for their growing season. Get your shears ready and watch your garden flourish. Gear up for pruning success. Ready to tackle your garden? Here's your essential toolkit for effective pruning. 1. Pruning shears, perfect for snipping small branches and stems with precision. 2. Loppers, your go-to for thicker branches that need a little extra power. 3. Pruning saw, ideal for those larger limbs that require a more robust approach. 4. Gloves, don't forget to protect your hands from thorns and sharp edges. 5. Disinfectant, keep your tools clean before and after use to prevent the spread of diseases. With the right tools in hand, you're ready to prune like a pro and keep your garden thriving. Pruning made easy, step-by-step guide. Now that you're equipped with the right knowledge and tools, let's dive into the pruning process. Follow these simple steps for optimal results. 1. Assess the plant. Start by examining your plant for any dead, damaged, or crossing branches that may hinder growth. 2. Make clean cuts. Use sharp pruning shears to cut at a 45-degree angle, just above a bud or leaf node. This technique promotes quicker healing and reduces the risk of disease. 3. Don't overdo it. Remember, less is more. Aim to remove no more than 25% of the plant at one time to prevent shock and encourage healthy regrowth. 4. Step back and evaluate. After you've finished pruning, take a moment to step back and assess the overall shape and health of your plant. This will help you determine if any further adjustments are needed. With these steps, you'll ensure your plants stay healthy and vibrant. Happy pruning! Before we wrap up, common pruning mistakes to avoid. To ensure your pruning efforts yield the best results, steer clear of these common pitfalls. 1. Pruning at the wrong time. Timing is everything. Pruning at the wrong season can stunt growth or reduce flowering. Research your plant's specific needs. 2. Using dull tools. Keep those blades sharp. Dull tools can crush stems and lead to uneven cuts, making plants more susceptible to disease. 3. Ignoring plant health. Always inspect for pests or diseases before you prune. Address any issues first to keep your plants thriving. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be on your way to a flourishing garden. Happy pruning! And there you have it, pruning like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with your plants. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy pruning!